$10 is how much I made today day trading. Let me show you what happened and let's go through the chart together. Let's go. Okay folks, let's start with the chart first this time. So this is SPX on a 15 minutes. I missed the long this morning, obviously, the retracement over here, retest of my support trend line here. So when I miss a long, which is the story of my life lately, I just sit on my hands and wait until my setup line up. And so what happened is it did line up over here, break up the 90 EMA, break up my support trend line, and I say to enter. I enter with one contract only because today is OPEX day, okay, meaning that we have a monthly expiration of contracts and options and all of that. And now I'm not a big fan of trading on those days, especially after this tremendous day that I had yesterday and this tremendous week this week. So I just decided to enter one contract. I enter here and try to cut at the bottom of that candle here for $120 gains. Unfortunately, it didn't let me. I tried another time to cut at, this time was about like a $90 gain. Didn't let me either. So then it went back up, I tried again, and obviously it filled me at only $10. So let me show you what happened here. First of all, the proof here, I made $10 on a day, okay? I took only one trade, all right? Nothing else here, only one trade, okay? Now, look at this. Those are my fill orders, okay? Enter at 15.20, exit on 15.30, okay? So obviously 30 minus 20, got $10 profit. Now look at this. I entered at 11 a.m. and 44 sec, okay? At 11:01, I tried to cut for 16.20 over here, okay? So I entered at 15.20, tried to cut a minute later approximately, actually less than that, 30 seconds later for 16.20, which is $100 profit, right? It didn't let me. I had to cancel that order. Then I tried to cut a minute later at 11:02, as you can tell over here, right? For this time, 15.90, okay? But they are 20, so it's about like what? $70, right? And still didn't let me. I had to cancel that order. And then finally, because I wanted to get out of this contract, I tried a third time and it worked for, setting it at 15.30. So I made $10 today. That's it. Okay, so you saw the proof of me making $10. You saw the chart as well. You saw what happened. But I just want to point something very important here. You don't have to be in the market every single day, right? Less trading means more profit sometimes, and sometimes very often. I had an amazing week, an amazing day yesterday, and my goal with OPEX day today was to really scale out, like I said, or maybe just observe and protect my profit for the week. You see, it's not that complicated to make money in the stock market. What's complicated is to keep it. And I could have gone heavy today and give the 8,000 that I made yesterday, right? I could have lost 10,000 or 12,000 like I did last month, right? On one day. And each losses teach you a valuable and great lessons that sometimes you have to step back and observe. And that's how you become a consistently successful trader, by sometimes not being in a rush of making money every single day in the stock market, but just sit back, relax, protect your profit that you made the day after, the day before, the week before, the month of, whatever it might be, and not give anything back. Now I'm grateful that honestly very grateful that I made $10 today, because I just accumulated those gains day after day, week after week, month after month. And at the end of the month, at the end of the year, eventually will be something of a nice amount accumulated, right? That accumulate exponentially sometimes. So thank you so much for watching. I just want to point this out because that's a mindset thing to me. And to me, if you've been following my journey so far, strategy to me is only 1%, right? But the mindset is what keeps you in a trade, make you cut, combat that FOMO, combat that greed, and then rinse and repeat, etc. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.